You know, snacks get a bad rap, but you know, snacks ain't bad. They help curb your appetite so you can avoid overeating at the next meal. But the only thing about snacks is, you know, if you choose the right snack, you know, you get a little burst of energy throughout the day. You know, me myself, you know, I'm a fruits and nuts guy. You know, I'm talking about the food, not the people. Although, you know, you gotta be a little nuts to step into the ring with
You better
Clubber
get that bad
Lane.
look off your face before I knock it off. Dead meat.
These nuts, champ, these nuts, they're a great source of protein. And they got antioxidants. They're rich in calcium, so they support bone health. And they got them healthy fats, champ. They're good for your brain, too. And they's anti-inflammatory.
Hey, yo, speaking of nuts, you know, they got a lot of potassium and magnesium in them. You know, that helps fight, you know, and regulate your blood pressure. And, you know, almonds and walnuts, you know, they fight bad cholesterol levels. And walnuts, you know, they got those omega-3 fatty acids in them, you know, which helps, you know, regulate the heart.
That's right, champ. They got fiber, and fiber improves your digestion and prevents constipation. It makes you feel full and help with weight management.
Hey, you know, Mickey used to tell me, you know, he had a saying, you know, when I was, you know, training against Apollo Creed, you know, he said, you know, fruits and nuts and seeds and stuff helps keep you regular. If you know what I mean, you know. Speaking of which, you know, I gotta go now. Hey, yo, Mr. Gas Attendant. Hey, you know, I'm looking for the bathroom.
Ain't so bad. Ain't so bad. Come on, ain't so bad.
Hey, you know, you ain't so bad. You ain't so bad at all. Like Clubber Lane, you know, beef jerky ain't so bad. You know, it's a good source of protein and it's low in fat. But you know, one of the things, you know, you gotta watch out for is the sodium and the sugar level. Always check the back of the bag to see what kind of ingredients it's got in it. Because, you know, the last thing you want to do is, you know, you snacking on the road is, you know, you lose to a snack because it's got too much sugar in it. You know, that's not the kind of lose you want to have. But, you know, again, beef jerky, it ain't so bad.
Read the label, kid. Always read the label on your snack. No sugar added is a good thing. Watch your calorie count.
Hey, when do they make these in stick flavor?
Don't be a bum rock. Make the right choice. Junk food weakens the legs. You can't win eating that junk rock. Sugar will kill you to death inside of 3 rounds. Put that candy down, you bum, 'cause Mickey loves you. A bad diet weakens the legs. With everything, with your food especially, moderation and ingredient awareness are the key.